Hello everyone, welcome back to the fifth and last part of the iconic archaeological sites of India. So we've been discussing about various sites like the Rakhigarhi, Hastinapur, Dhalavira and the Shivsagar. So today we'll be discussing about our final site, that is the Adichanallur. But before that, we'll discuss the question that was posed in the previous session. So the question is, which one of the following Harappan site is part of the independent India? The options are Chanhudaru, Kotiji, Dhalavira and Suktagandha. So for this you will have to understand the present location of these sites. So all of them are Harappan sites, but you should also know the present location of these sites. And in case of Chanhudaru, so Chanhudaru belongs to the Sindh of Pakistan, Kotiji also belongs to Pakistan. Then Suktagandha is a coastal town along the Lothal as well as Balakot. Then we have Dhalavira. So if you watched the previous video, then we have discussed about Dhalavira. It belongs to the Ran of Kutch of Gujarat. So the site which is part of independent India is the Dhalavira. And now that we've got our answer, we'll move on to our today's session. So today we'll be dealing with Adichanallur. Adichanallur is a place that lies in Thoothukudi district or the Tuticorin district of Tamil Nadu, and it is an Iron Age burial site. So from the images itself you can see various urn burials. So this is an Iron Age urn burial site. This is an urn burial that has been excavated from this Adichanallur. We can also see a group of urn burials from this place. So another specialty of Adichanallur is that the Korke, the capital of the early Pandyan kingdom, is very close to Adichanallur. It's just 15 kilometers away from it. Then about Adichanallur, various excavation has been received from here, various burials. So by using the carbon dating method, it has been understood that these skeletons or these remnants that has been received from this place even dated back to about 3800 years. Then the burials, within whatever burials that has been received here, the urn burials, there have been the instances or excavations which had the double burials. Then another feature is that about the discovery of an ancient Tamil Brahmi script. So an ancient Tamil Brahmi script has been received from an urn containing a full human skeleton. So along with a full human skeleton, an ancient Tamil Brahmi script written was also received, and also in several burials the things that these people used were there. Even there were burials which had the remnants of rice husk and all. So in that sense we can also understand that there is no specific orientation that has been followed when it comes to the burials. So from this site also potter's kiln has been received. So this is considered as a residential area, but and potter's kiln is considered as an industrial activity. So that's kind of something that stands out. Potter's kiln has been received from here. Then because we already discussed that it's an Iron Age burial site, so because of that, iron implements as well as copper ornaments has been excavated from this site. So Adichanallur is an urn burial site. Now coming over to a model question, which among the following is an Iron Age urn burial site? So our options are Kalibangan, Surkotada, Harappa and Adichanallur. So our first option, Kalibangan, we know that the Kalibangan is an Indus Valley civilization site. So it belongs to Rajasthan, the present day Rajasthan. And from Kalibangan we have received two kind of the examples of two kinds of burials, that is both circular as well as the rectangular. And from Surkotada we have received the excavations of pot burials. Two pot burials have been received from Surkotada. Then we have Harappa. In case of Harappa, Harappa is the only site of Indus Valley civilization which shows an example of coffin burial. So that site actually stands out for that. So all of these are the Kalibangan, Surkotada, Harappa, all of these are the Indus Valley civilization sites. But Adichanallur, so if it just asked burial sites, then all of this would include. But Adichanallur is the only urn burial site of the Iron Age. Okay, so that's what makes it stands out. So that was our model question about this So the series that we were conducting about the iconic archaeological sites comes to an end with this site. We'll come with more of current affairs from history and as well as from other subjects. So thank you for now. Thank you.